TV for.
You did? So you know how to make it work? Awesome.
Yeah.
I bet you'll be good at
I don't know
that.
how to make it work.
Oh, I bet you could. I bet you'll be able to dance up. You two would dance up a storm. Is that cool?
Yeah.
So-
And Matthew got
BattleBots.
And Matthew, you got BattleBot. But that's way cooler than mine. This is not so good, but that's so cool.
Is it?
Well, it's a good thing your brother got something
Yeah,
so cool, so
I
maybe
bet you
he'll
can
play with
share. So what'd you...
And Matthew wants this. You could share that.
What do you think, Matthew?
You like your BattleBot? That's awesome, buddy.
Maybe Santa was stuck in the Dow stockings up there.
I don't know. We've been pretty blessed. You got
I
this
know.
a whole
I was
bunch
going
of
to say, what do you
stuff.
think about this Christmas? Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh,